Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. The COSTWAY model boasts a twin-tub design with a total capacity of 18 pounds, making it ideal for larger loads, while the portable washing machine offers a compact, foldable design perfect for small items and travel. Join us as we explore their specifications, pros and cons, and see which machine is the better fit for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY portable washing machine offers a total of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, perfect for families or those with more laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like baby clothes or delicates. While the COSTWAY can handle bigger loads, the portable washing machine is more convenient for quick washes. In terms of design, the COSTWAY model is bulkier and heavier, weighing 29 pounds, which may be challenging for some users to move around. It features a twin-tub design that requires more storage space. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is lightweight at just 3.5 pounds and foldable, making it extremely portable and easy to store. This design is perfect for those who need a washing solution on the go or have limited space. Power consumption is another important factor. The COSTWAY model operates at 330 W for washing and 110 W for spinning, providing a powerful performance for larger loads. However, it does consume more energy compared to the portable washing machine, which does not specify its power usage, but is designed to be energy efficient. If you're looking to save on electricity bills, the portable washing machine may be the better option. In conclusion, the best choice between the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the portable washing machine depends on your specific needs. If you require a machine that can handle larger loads and provide powerful performance, the COSTWAY is a solid option. However, if portability and compactness are your priorities, the portable washing machine is an excellent choice for small spaces and travel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.